Hey everybody, in this video I'm just going to address an issue that you might run into when you're taking advantage of the edge pixel color feature in motion design for your graphics. So we use the edge colors for color coding backgrounds when we've got lots of different logos that we're using for different teams, and we want to color coordinate our backgrounds and other graphics based on the logo or the team itself that the logo represents. So the issue is kind of shown here where I've got the edge colors in my texture, but they're visible here when I'm using the logo, and I don't want them to be visible. And with some tools, in this case I'm using Affinity Photo, we don't have like a middle ground where we can alpha channel hide those colors but still have them. So as an example, here's this logo. I'm going to activate a mask that hides those edge pixels and then export as a new the same PNG. So save, yes, overwrite, and then back in Unreal I will right click the texture and re-import it. So yeah, that's great. Now I don't see the frame anymore, but if I double click on that texture and deactivate the alpha channel, I don't have the colors either. So now I can't use those frame colors in my graphics. So we want something where we can bring those colors in, but not show them when we're using the logo. So here's how we do that. First of all, I'll go back into Affinity Photo, deactivate the mask. So I am going to export with the edge colors. So File, Export, and export a PNG. Yes, overwrite that, and in Unreal, let's re-import. Okay, so now we've got the edge colors. We can use them in our graphics, but we don't want them to be visible. So here's the fix. Now, this is, of course, a Material Designer material, so I will go ahead into Edit with Material Designer, and then here, what I'm going to do for my emissive color is crop the alpha channel. So I've got this layer selected, and I will apply an effect, and it's under alpha, and the effect is crop alpha. And then we just need to set the value. Now the edge pixels here are using about 3% of the pixels around the edge in this particular graphic. So if I crop out 4% or 0.04, enter, that crops them out. And I still get the logo, but I'm no longer seeing those colors. So I'll just Control-C, copy that, and then double-click and paste that value all the way around, enter, and now all of those edge pixels are gone, but the texture still has those color values. So if I want to add a backdrop based on the lower left color here, I can go ahead and add a new texture edge color layer, and I will drag that down below the logo. And then finally, for the edge color, I will use that same exact texture, but I will choose the bottom left as the color. Now we're not seeing that automatically updated here. I don't know if that's a glitch or something that gets fixed later on, but you can click this refresh button off and then on, and then that color will be shown there for you. And of course, you can then of course expose this texture to the remote control and have that updated for your rundowns, and you can show different logos with different backdrop colors. But the main thing is to use the crop alpha to take care of the situation where you might have a tool that can not export those edge colors without having the solid alpha. Hope this helps. Till next time, have fun.